Reading and Learning with teacher Jake. Let's start. A cab to the lab. Cab works in the lab. Cab gets in the cab. The cab has a tab. Cab taps the tab. Cab goes to the lab. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job! Now let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. Where does cab work? Where does cab work? A. In the lab. B. In the cab. C. In the bag. A. In the lab. Number 2. What does cab get in? What does cab get in? A. The cab. B. The bag. C. The tab. A. The cab. Number 3. What does the cab have? What does the cab have? A. A flag. B. A bag. C. A tab. C. A tab. Good job! Let us go to the next lesson. Dad is glad. Dad feels glad. He is not sad. He had a fun day. His son, Ted the lad, gave him a hug. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job! Now, let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. How does Dad feel? How does Dad feel? A. Glad. B. Mad. C. Sad. A. Glad. Number 2. Who gave Dad a hug? Who gave Dad a hug? A. Rad. B. Bad. Or C. Tad. C. Tad. Number 3. What kind of day did he have? What kind of day did he have? A. Sad. B. Fun. Or C. Long. B. Fun. Good job! Let us go to the next lesson. Pat and her bat. Pat has a bat. Pat taps the bat. The bat hits the ball. Pat puts down the bat. Pat sits on the mat. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job! Now, let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. Who has a bat? Who has a bat? A. Pat. B. Cat. Or C. Tad. A. Pat. Number 2. What does Pat tap? What does Pat tap? A. The mat. B. The ball. Or C. The bat. C. The bat. Number 3. What does the bat hit? What does the bat hit? A. The ball. B. The wall. C. The bat. A. The ball. Good job. See you in the next lesson.